Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing some really cute heart cherries for our Singles Day nail art. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail, as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. Rub pink lemonade Aurora chrome powder in circular motions onto your nails using the chrome powder application sponge and dust away any excess chrome. Using red Sass in your dotting tool, paint 2 sets of dots next to one another. Using red Sass and your thin nail art brush, pull 2 lines towards each other to create a heart shape and fill in. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Pining for You and your clean thin nail art brush, paint a stalk for your heart cherries. Then paint a small little leaf. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Whiteout and your clean thin nail art brush, paint a little reflection on the inner corner of your heart. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your Gelous nail art tweezers, carefully pull away a star from the White Stars nail stickers pack and place it onto your nail. Make sure you are happy with the placement. Using a silicone tool, gently rub into place. You then want to repeat the previous steps for extra nail art. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe nails clean with nail polish remover to remove any chrome on your skin. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.